New rigid deals. It does have self-closing. Fairly new because I haven't. They're trying to get rid of all your gas. 125 down from 249. We got the top 20 Father's Day deals at the Home Depot. There's all sorts of stuff going on. Starting with these ladders, guys. These are actually $89 for those blue ones and aluminum, and then $89 for these orange ones. Guys, also don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can make more tour review videos so you guys will miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. $99 for the Jumbo Joe from the Weber. And then you got $389 for this Traeger. Not too bad. I really like the looks of it. You know, with the gold and black. That's really nice. And then you got the smoker there. Yes, guys, receive $200 towards your purchase of electronics. What do you guys think about this? They're trying to get rid of all your gas engines, basically. And they're actually paying you $200, or they're giving you a coupon, basically. That's what it is. Giving you a coupon for that amount, so you guys could put it towards battery powered or electric mower. So let us know what you guys think down in the comment section. We got this dolly. This is a smaller dolly on clearance for $49.98. It's a 300-pound metal dolly, and as you guys will see, I wish I would have one of these in the shop. I definitely need something like that. Can't afford it though. Expensive. Alright, so I was walking through the aisles, and then I saw this thing catch my attention. It said Ryobi HP. And according to what it says here, it basically dries and wet cleans your floors. So that's pretty interesting. And then you got the traditional fabric cleaner, or spot cleaner that they call it. $219 on this one with extractor. And then they got the all-in-ones. These are brand new technology. I was just doing research on these. Some of these are a headache, guys. I don't know. I was just gonna tell you to go ahead and buy one, but yeah, do your research, guys. There's some of these are a headache. Let us know that in the comment section if you guys heard anything, or if you guys have any of these. I was just researching that online, and apparently there's a problem with some of these that are. Here's another brand. This is the LG. So this might not be the one, the same design as the other one, but apparently there are some models, not necessarily these, but some models that they already have the drying and washing inside. They got all the components. They're really small, and they take a long time, and sometimes they clog up and stuff like that. So let us know in the comment section if you guys have one of those, if you guys like it, if you guys don't like it. Because I'm planning on purchasing something like that, or stay away from it. Either or, if they do work or do not work, Alright, so you got the outdoor power adapters. This is the clearance section, $15 down from $22. It's pretty nice if you guys got like a shop where you're running multiple smaller tools and stuff like that. You got a tool bag, $9.98. This is a very basic 16-inch tool bag. It does the job. $5.97 for this torpedo. Little harder to see on this one, and the blue one as well. It's a little harder to see the blue bubble. So $3.48 for this 4-pack of ink saw. I really love these Milwaukee ink saws. So pretty nice. And then you got the tape measure, 12-foot reach. These are 25 footers. These are $14.97. These are all great little deals for for your dad or for Father's Day. $9.98. I would definitely love to have one of these. So this is a 56-inch toolbox. It does have self-closing, and plus it does have a top cabinet. These are really nice. You can put your TV up there, whatever you guys want to put up there. You got $8.98. This is a Milwaukee. I wish Milwaukee came out with something like that. That would be nice. And of course, you got some nice premium drawers and rollers. And then you got the buy one get one free. You buy the tools on the left to get a free battery. These are hackable as well, so these are great gifts as well for the father, especially that vacuum. That vacuum is really nice. This is $125 down from $249. This is a 2 and 5 amp hour battery starter kit. These are high output batteries. And then 1997. These are great gifts just to add on to your regular gift, especially these glasses, guys. These are really nice glasses. I personally use them for work, and they work really well, especially because they are fog free. 1097. Some more good gifts. Like this 11-in-1. This one's pretty nice as well. Like a 9-in-1 type of screwdriver. 1997 for the tape measure or the adjusting pliers. So these are pretty nice. Nice rubber grips. And then you got the 25-footer with the magnetic. Yes, so magnetic that it stick onto the plastic, right? 1988, your choice here. You got the diamond or the embedded nail, embedded wood. And then you got the diamond blades there for the angle grinder. So you can cut all sorts of concrete pavers and all that stuff. All the good stuff. Some sanding pads. And then you got the oscillating, the 2-for-1. Alright, on this one we got the traditional circular saw blade, 6.5 and 7.25. You got the 9-inch carbide reciprocating saw blades. And the spade bit set for 10 piece with the nice pouch. So that's pretty nice. All right, $14.97. Your choice here. You got the tape measure, the 6-in-1s, and then yep, those are the 6-in-1s. Pretty nice, pretty good deal. And then you got the hex key set there, the 25-foot tape measure, and then of course the legendary fastbacks, the 2-pack. Another great gift is this, guys. This is a really nice something to work on. It is tabletop height, so you're not bending over, father's not bending over, and it's easier to work on. You can put, as it says right there, miter saw. You can use that as a dolly. $1.99, pretty good. And then it does have some. It is compatible with that Ryobi Link system. You can put some trays. Yes, guys, these are all back on sale. This is rigid. I'm thinking of buying one of these for a special project that I got going on. $79.98 for the bigger toolbox, $39.98 and $29.98. Total about $150 or less for all three. You got $79.98 for these bigger boxes with wheels, because they do have wheels, and they do have a smaller organizer. These are really nice boxes, especially for a gift. Oh wow, yeah, really nice. However, I think I do prefer the other rolling box, and it's just about the same price. You got the vacuum there as well. And then yes, guys, we got new rigid deals just dropped. These are the new buy one get one free. You buy the, what is that, 169, 2 batteries and charger, and you get one of these tools on the bottom for free. You can choose from the reciprocating saw, the circular saw, that battery. Rigid is a solid platform, so definitely recommend it. You got the mid torque there. I almost forgot that one. 179. That's a really good value there. I would definitely shoot for that mid torque if you got your dad, obviously does his own DIY tire rotations and oil changes and all sorts of stuff. You got $299 for the 2-tool combo kit. That's pretty nice, top of the line. $159 for the 2 subcompact. $129 for the 2 amp hour 2-tool combo kit, basic tools. And then $199 for just the drill. So you get the max output 2 4 amp hour battery starter kit. So that's the starter kit you have to buy. So it does qualify for a free tool, and this is one of the free tools. This is a circular saw, valued at $169. You got the reciprocating saw, which I did not see the price because it's hard to see on that thing. You got the impact wrench, valued at $179, which was sold out, and 6 amp hour battery at $139. So all those qualify for that as a free gift. And of course, you do have the top of the line impact drill, hammer drill, and you got to $299, down from $379, which is not a bad deal. $150 a piece, and then $99 for your choice on these, and then of course $399 for the dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. It is a 12-inch, so these are pretty nice. And then you got the table saw. This is a 10-inch table saw. And this one's $4.99, down from $5.49. So that's pretty nice. And then for the Husky side, you do have some tool bags. These are really nice gifts. If you guys could throw some tools in there, that would, I'm pretty sure your dad would appreciate it. And then $129 for this jack. This is a really nice jack. Not necessarily the fancy colors, because I know Harbor Freight does have some. You know, if you guys want colors, obviously go to Harbor Freight. But if you guys want some cheap that do the job, and it is low profile 3-ton, go here, guys. It's $129. I think it's a little cheaper than Harbor Freight. And then you got this awesome rolling tool bag with a lot of pockets on the outside, inside, 18-inch tool bag. And then you got a 20-inch tool bag. This is a SPR low. Now, however, these are fairly new because I haven't seen this before. But check out all the compartments you got on the inside. You can put pretty much anything. Divide your electrician's kit and from your plumbing kit there. However you want to do it. Even just throw everything on the outside if you don't want to throw it on the inside. And then you got the backpack there for $59, down from $69. 16-inch backpack. Again, lots of pockets. You got room for a laptop if you guys are doing, laptop work as well. And then this is one of the smaller boxes or smaller bags, totes. They're spring activated. That's something new. So yes, that's really nice. Same thing as the bigger one. It is spring activated. Do apologize for the camera movement, but I was trying to get that with one hand. And yes, they do stay open if you leave them open. So $49.98 for the 16-inch. And then yes, guys, now that the heat's here, I do recommend you guys get one of these. I got a couple of these here in the house, in the garages, and another extra bedroom I have. So guys, definitely recommend these for a room, for a shop, a garage, for if you want to keep your tools and all your equipment nice and cooled. Definitely recommend one of these. Not necessarily this brand. This one's one of the better brands because it does come with Wi-Fi. It is inverter technology, so it's not gonna ramp up right away and take a lot of energy right off the bat. So like a spike. All right, so $16.97 for this staple. It's a 3-in-1 staple combo kits. 100 pack, 1000 pack staples. You got $14.88 and $11.98 for the 18-piece continuous drive screwdriver and the 2-pack of tape measures. I actually like these. These are pretty nice with the white. They're only labeled at one side. Still, you're getting 2 for $14. Not bad. But the nice, easy to read color, 25 footers. And then I'll leave the audio there for you guys. $14.97 for this 50-pack, 75, and 100-pack. So you got the heavy-duty drywall. You got the hook utility blade, 75 count. You got serrated edge utility blades for 50-pack. And then you got all sorts of pliers on sale. It's kind of like a little gift center basically for the Father's Day that they got going on. And then $89.97 for this 50-gallon. This is a huge. If this thing gets filled with tools, this is gonna be heavy, especially if you're gonna be putting that on the back of your truck. All right, so $49.88 for the 110 piece. Now, however, not necessarily. If you don't have any tools, I would definitely recommend this for a father or for somebody just getting their first apartment. But if you got the tools, then if he has some tools, then I wouldn't recommend that. I would just buy my own tools, or at least the ones that I use the most. $17.97 for the 2-in-1 expandable square. And then you got some really nice screwdrivers. This is 6-piece diamond tip magnetic screwdrivers. These are really nice. They are color coded, so different colors for different types of screwdrivers. You got the rafter square, or extendable square. So this is extendable. You got $9.97 for the 3-piece folding hex key set and the 11-piece accessory set for $17. $17.87. This is always a nice thing to have, especially if your dad works on the mechanic side, oil changes and stuff like that. It'll definitely ease it out. Metric Torx folding. These are really nice as well. So you can get a couple of those, throw them on the toolbox or a tool bag. One of those tool bags, and good to go there. Same thing with those combination. You got $29.97 for the 3/8 or $19.97 for the 1/4-inch socket sets. These are pretty nice. Definitely recommend you guys get them The 3/8, those are really the most common. Those are the most common. And then, yes, guys, it's a tool that you never use it, but whenever you don't have it, then you wish you had it. I run into these deals or these situations all the time where I wish I had this tool. You got the easy change faucet tool. Sometimes your hand doesn't even fit in there, and it's just so crazy. All right, these are still killer deals, guys. You buy 2 of these top ones, get a free starter kit with the 8 amp hour battery. If your dad works a lot on tools and he has this brand, he's gonna love this deal. So you got the radio, you got the vacuum, you got all sorts of stuff you guys could choose there. All right, some recently added deals, not necessarily new, but they're recently added. This is $2.99 for the top of the line. You got 2 6 amp hour battery starter kit. Get a free tool there at the bottom. Definitely lots of good tools to choose from. Same thing with this. If you don't want to spend so much, this is $1.99. We'll get you 1 free tool. Again, that vacuum, I do recommend the Impact Driver is one of the better ones to get with this deal. So definitely check it out. You guys have a great weekend or rest of your week, whatever it is for you, and happy Father's Day. And let us know in the comment section, what tools are you gonna get? What tools are you planning to get? Did you actually buy any of these tools that I just put in this video? Anyways, that's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.